Hi, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. We specialize in the common rail injector, and each day we will have the live show and different videos on the YouTube and Facebook account. And today I want to show you some of our products. This is an injector repair kit, and it can be used in this fuel injector. Yes. Okay, then let's check the details for our repair kit. Yep. Look at this part. These packaging bags on this part they have the label, right? The first line is the model numbers. The model number is the 6516003 X15. And the last line is the model number is a model name, injector repair kit. Actually, as you can see, this kind of packages and labels, and yes, maybe some customers, if you have your own logo, if you have your own labels, yes, Shumatt can supply you the customized services. We can help you to design this kind of packaging bags, the label, and your own logos. Yep. Actually, we have the fuel injector, and to fit with this kind of repair kit, I will got it. You can to see more details of our product. Yes, this is a fuel injector. And for this whole side, it can be used in this fuel injector. I will open it. For our packaging bags, it's very friendly. The material is very friendly to the environment. Okay, let's see the inside part. Look at here. You can see some O-rings, right? Some sealing rings, and we have this kind of spring, and we have the filter screen, and the spring. Yep, this kind of filter screen. Also, we have the gasket. This kind of gasket. Yes, for our sealing rings, as you can see, some sealing rings they can be used in the outside part, and some of the sealing rings are used in the inside part. And actually, for our product, this kind of sealing rings can be better protect the fuel injector, can connect each part very tightly and avoid some it won't be loose. It avoid some air and liquid. Each of our product items, before we seal it, we will test it many times, and so we can ensure the quantity to our customers, and we have the 6 months warranties. Each of our product items has its own usage. Yes, when you exchange the fuel injector, you can use the whole side repair kit. Okay, that's all details about our product. If you have any questions or anything you want to know, you can contact us. Actually, we have many models of our fuel injector and our injector repair kit, right? And if you are not familiar with about our product, you can send us the product numbers. We can help you to check it. Also, you can download the app. Maybe some customers, if you are curious about our warranties, actually we have the 6 months warranty about our product. Yep. For our product, we have the 6 months warranties during the warranty time. If you are not satisfied with the qualities, you can contact us and we can exchange the product for you. Yep. Okay, that's all the product details about today's. And each week we have different videos and live show on the Facebook and the YouTube account. If you are interested, remember to focus on our channels and you can follow our YouTube and the Facebook account. Yep. Okay, actually, except that we also supplied some injector, the nozzle, repair kit, the pumps, the parts for the pumps. Yes, any items, if you are interested, you can contact us. Okay, that's all about today's introductions. Thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye.